Hey everybody, I'm gonna just kind of show you how big this store is. I am in Henderson, Nevada, which is basically Las Vegas because can you see how far that goes back? This is a big store, and I just thought, if you want to do a flip-flop wreath, my goodness, this is the place to come find your flip-flops. You could definitely do a really cute one with these flip-flops. Those are adorable. I'm loving the flamingo. That is so cute. But I'm here to show you what they have out west in comparison to like Michigan and Ohio and the South. I don't know what you have down there, but I've always showed you guys from Michigan. So today we're going to show you from, see how far back that goes? From Las Vegas, basically. And I'm telling you, we don't have some of these colors. Those are really pretty. Hi everybody, you jumping on? I think these are super cute. I love this color. It's just such a pretty color. But for organizing, these are some of my favorite things to organize with. And I like to do it. They have the navy blue, which I've never seen, and the I don't know, maybe mine have them, but I haven't seen all this. And I like the gray because gray is such a hot color. Hey ladies, so nice to have you jump on with me here. I know people are probably wondering, what is that lady doing? But hey, that's okay. I'll never see them again in my life. So anyways, but they have all these neat summertime, summertime decor, which is so cute. I love the flamingos. It's so fun. But look how pink that is. I think this is the brightest pink I've seen so far. That is really pink, but I'm really liking that. But I haven't even taken you guys to the craft section. So let's do the patriotic stuff. And I think we have most of this. If there's something you haven't seen, those are really cute. If you're wanting to do just a simple DIY wreath, you could get some of the Dollar Tree mesh and just make something simple and throw it up on your wall or your door. There's a patriotic scarf. I've not seen those. So yes, I use those containers over there for craft room stuff too. Just for let you know, this is the one I use when I put a wooden dowel in it and I put my 10-inch poly burlap in. So that is the one I use right there. And I've also used, let me see, I've done this one, and you can do two. You could do two dowels and do 2 rolls right there on that kind. So back to the patriotic stuff. You got your tinsels. If you have not seen Michelle Noble's American flag wreath, which is super cute, that's what she used for the stars right there. She just took those and added those in. So they're just like the balloon weights. But they have lots of lanterns and oh, this is cute. I've not seen that one. That is really super cute. It's got a lot of glitter on it, but really cute. So, and then they've got some burlap ones and littler ones. So hey everybody, thanks for hopping on. If you're celebrating the 4th of July, a good place to come. They even have hot dog holders. Oh, I love it. That would be so fun if you were having a barbecue. Very fun. And then 2 inflatable thunder sticks. Interesting. I don't know. I might have to get this for my kids. I think they would like that one. So, all right, let's go over to this side. They have the sunflower decor. I think where we are, they have a lot of the lemon look decor. But I saw all these cute, super cute signs. Look at that. I know I've seen people post in Wreath Creators and more this one. That's cute. And then you've got like little surf boards, I guess is what you would call that. I think that's really cute. Let's be mermaids. A cute pineapple. The drink. Let's see. And then, of course, they just have more of the decorative stuff if you're throwing a party. So you've got, this would be great if you're doing the netting. If you're doing like a beach wreath, that would be awesome. They even have it in green too. It's a green and white or cream colored. So that would be a cute add to a wreath or a craft. And then I know a lot of you use these to put on the backs of your wreaths. So they have all sorts of colors, like nice bright colors. And then some more signs. Isn't this cute? I love this. My favorite color is sunset. And then these are just like a cloth. It's good. What does it say? Good things are coming. I thought this was cute. I don't want to keep life simple. Celebrate everything. Let's see. What is this one? That's cute. I like that pink sparkle there. And then of course they have lots of lays. I don't know, can you do something with that on a wreath? Could you wrap that around? I think that would be really pretty if you were doing like a luau theme barbecue or something. But look at all those. They have a ton. More signs. What is this called? A seahorse? That's what they got. So it is huge, Cindy. This store is huge. Now I've not seen these. These are little sunshines. That would be interesting to do something with that. Isn't that cute? And then they have a fish. Let's see what the back of that is. So you can see what the back of that is. Has anybody seen these fish or the sunshine? I know we've seen the pineapple, but I have not seen these. So let me know in the comments if you've seen them. And then they've got these, turn this around, just a star decor mat. Could do something with that. More signs, all that stuff. That's kind of cute. Look at that. What is that? It's a little pineapple, and it's that plastic. You could take all the tinsel off of that and do yellow, and then do a plant, and that would be kind of cute sitting on a table. That is super, super cute. I love it. Love it. All right, and then they have a ton. I mean, the toys go back for aisles in here, so we don't need the toys. Okay, here are, I know some of you guys have done this. You've taken these little bikini top shells and you've taken it and you've done what I do with the rope, and you glue the rope on. So that's another option. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's here. They've got a ton of those. And another side of lays and grass skirts. Not sure what we do with that, but you know. Oh, that's cute. So, and then lots of swimming stuff, and we're not going to do that, but let me show you this. Just wait for it. Would you look at that? Can you not believe that? Look at all these flowers. I'm like totally impressed. This is the most I've ever seen at a Dollar Tree. I mean, look at that. You could find whatever you needed for whatever project you were trying to make. But I have never seen one with this many flowers. Then you go on this side and you have all sorts of vases. I've never seen that many vases. You've got all those wreath forms and the styrofoam. And there's our wreath forms right there. Plenty for everybody. You can go ahead and go and buy it. It's all right. And this is where I get my, you've seen me make these on my, you know, my wreaths for the centers. I've used this. This is where I get them. So those are nice. Let's see. That might be interesting to do a center with that. Let me know if you've done something with this, guys. So again, flowers galore. You know, aren't those pretty? I know, it's huge, Michelle. This place is humongous. And then they have all this colored glass. I've not seen this either. This is a new one. I have seen these. I think these are super cute. Have you seen those? They're like little milk bottles. I love these. I think those are really cute. There's a video on my YouTube channel using these as a centerpiece. Really simple to do, and I used those, and I used, let me see here if they have them. Huh, they don't have them. I'm kind of shocked. They have them in Michigan, but they're just a round form, but made out of this softer material here. But I have a video on YouTube, but you guys know that. So let me go to the next part. There's another aisle with craft supplies. So again, this place is huge. So Charlene, I've probably been to the one on Hall Road. But look at all, you've got shells and rocks and pebbles. You've got little, go ahead. You've got little, I don't know, I don't think these would be worth it. I think this is not a great value for $1, but you know, if that's all you got. I have used their natural raffia. I have a YouTube video on my pumpkin wreath on YouTube, and I do use some of that on that. So I do find that's good. Man, these would be pretty. I don't know if you can see this. Those are some pretty pebbles. That'd be pretty in like an arrangement, but they have so many things. And then they have lots of glitter and glue sticks. This is great for the kids. They have lots of little birds, but more glass products. Oh, there's those beads. Has anybody done this? Let's see. It's gel beads. Has anybody used these before? Do they smell? What do? Do they dry, or do they just stay that way? They look like those little Orby beads that my kids play with, you know? But, yep, more glass. Let's see, and then they've got lots of ribbon. You know, lots of this, like, rhinestone. There's some cording. I'd like to find some rope. I haven't found the rope. I know some of you guys, that's different. I know some of you have used the rope in doing your centers, so I'd like to find that too. So, and then you've got birds, and then some butterflies. Can you see that? And then floral wire, and then little magnets. Those are cute. And then adhesive diamond wrap, I guess is what it's called. And then you've got organizational things. And then, you know, lots of paint. So this place is very neat and tidy too. It's very well put together. Somebody got something on the floor, but I haven't seen much on the floor. I've never seen yarn at a Dollar Tree either. That's a new one. They've got wood letters, little fasteners, Velcro. So there's some really good stuff here. So, and then there's fabric. I've never seen fabric here. Isn't that interesting? That's unicorns. Feathers, fuzzy sticks, that's what Michelle calls them. Yep, Michelle uses those rhinestones for her horse heads. So, more yarn. Again, I've never seen yarn here. And then they have these cute signs. Let's see, what is this? A stencil wheel. That's interesting. What's on the back of it? Oh. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a, you just turn it. Let me see here. You've got little owls. Is this all owls? Yeah. These are all owls. I don't know if you can see that. That's interesting. I've not been one big person into stenciling. But anyhow, let's see. More containers. Oh my goodness, I've not seen so many containers at one store. Now this is what more of my store has, these colors. Those other colors up front are kind of new. Some more. I wanted to show you where the tool section is. Let's see here. All right, let's go this way. And then I'll probably let you go after this, but let's see what's on this side. Sometimes you can find really cool things to do other things. I know I asked you guys the other day, what's your favorite Dollar Tree item? You know, I use these to hold some of my petals together. If I'm making a wreath and I don't want to put it on my wreath form, yeah, you get 6 of these for $1. I need to get some more of these, but I'll wait till I get home. So these are nice. Have you ever used dryer balls? Because I have, and they do help. I really do like those. And then I have used their lint rollers to clean up like mess on my craft table. These do work fairly well, so I would recommend those. Some more storage stuff, but I want to show you over here. If you, man, look at all that for pets. That is like a ton of stuff. I think this is by far the best Dollar Tree I've ever been to. So let's see here. I know people probably think I'm crazy. Yeah, lots of glue. If you have the nails like I do, and if you break your nails, I love this because I will use that to glue my nail back together until I get back to my lady. And then they've got lots of neat tapes, and then glue dots. Michelle likes the glue dots. Has anybody used the glue dots? I've never seen these at mine, but and then you got mounting tape, little adhesive hooks, you got the command strips. So you got a lot of different things you could do here. So if you're out in Vegas or out west, you guys are lucky. So let's see. So lots of paint brushes. This would be great. Oh my goodness, this is the hugest store I've ever been into. And look, glue gun. That's always a good thing to have. But lots of paint brushes, sanding blocks. I'm gonna get ready to do my cabinet soon. I might need to get some of those. These are just flashlights. You don't care about flashlights. But yeah, here you go. You know, if you like to do your Cricut, here's some tweezers, a pack of like different kinds. That might be nice for the Cricut. And, or the cry cut, I'm not sure what you call it. But yeah, guys, this is it. Let me see here. I'm gonna go over here, see if there's anything else. I think this is just, you know, household stuff. Let's go to the household stuff. See what they got over here. Okay. Lots of people over here. What do they got? Let's see. Looking for something that you could make a wreath with. What could you make a wreath with here? So, but we don't have. That's, what's that? A microwave safe bowl. We don't have those. Those are some big bamboo skewers, but you know what you could use these for? This would be perfect. You could just cut it down with your clippers for holding your mesh in one of those baskets. 12 pieces. I mean, come on. That's huge. But you could use that easily. They have the smaller ones, but I don't know how big, how long. Those are about 12 inches, but I think the other ones would be better. So those are really cool. I know a lot of you do those wreaths on the splatter screens. I think I've seen these at my Dollar Tree, but that you could do a lot of different wreaths on that. I love these for my chips at home. So I don't see any grip liner for wreaths, but some neat tablecloths. All right, guys, I think I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you all later, and I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Dollar Tree in the Las Vegas area, Henderson, Nevada. Talk to you later. Bye.